Gripka Family Productions presents The Fiery Furnace, August 29th, 2010, starring Grace Gripka as Shadrach, Douglas Gripka as Meshach, and Savannah Gripka as Abednego, and Mommy Gripka as Queen Nebuchadnezzar, and Dad as the soldier and an angel. Act 1, Scene 1, action.
Wow! Look at what they've made for me. A beautiful statue of myself, of course. Oh, it is just gorgeous. I need to think up a degree about it. I've got it. Anytime we play the flute or the guitar or any kind of music, everybody must fall down and bow and worship my statue. That's fabulous. Let's get some music playing, people. Let's go. Come on.
Mikey.
Scene 2.
Queen Nebuchadnezzar, got a report from the field.
Well, hello. How are you?
Things are not so good. It seems there's some Jews out there that aren't following your decree. We play music,
What?
Everyone bows, except for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They follow their own God. They say they don't want to bow down to you, and they don't have to listen to your decree. What are we going to do?
That's ridiculous. I'm thinking fire. Furnace. Them inside. What do you think?
I'll go get them.